Hi everyone. See, in this video, I'm going to explain how to print this pattern. See, so whenever we are going to print this pattern, you need to understand what is the shape of this pattern, because in all the previous videos I have explained how to display 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, look at this. These two patterns are looking similar. But the only difference is what? Here, this one we can easily print because already we have discussed the tricks. Every row starting with the same value. Every row. So, whenever you are printing that J, every row starting with the same value. But every row ending with a different value. Ending with a different value. Different value. Changing means what? Is a I. Starting with a 1. So J starting with 1. J less than or equals to I. J plus plus. But we need to specify the I value. I value in the first row 1, second row 2, third row 3, 4, 5. So that we need to specify I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 5, I plus plus. Inside, if you want to display this one, we are printing J value. But now the only difference is what? Instead of printing the J value, just print the character star. Once this loop execution completed, then to send the control to the next line, just print ln we are using. The only thing you need to understand here, whenever they have given to print this pattern, what are the conditions we need to consider means what? Just the background pattern you need to understand with values. This is suppose the background pattern. We know already how to code for this one. After code for this, instead of printing J value, you have to print only star. Hope you understood. Please follow us. Thank you.